revealing the future of equipment intelligence. The global market of smart equipment is projected to grow $4.9 trillion in 2027 at a CAGR of 6.6%. It constantly has to come up with new and faster answers to shifting evolutions. Innovative IoT solutions, human-robot collaboration, and AI integration. Smart equipment is fostering productivity enhancement and customization capabilities, paving us towards realizing Industry 5.0. Advantech, with over 4 decades of experience in industrial equipment manufacturing, integrates AIoT, edge computing, and new technologies for different industries. We are committed to deliver the cores of connectivity, digitalization, and AI-powered technology in smart equipment to enable resilient and sustainable solutions for various manufacturers' needs. Take your equipment's digitalization to new heights with the advanced connectivity and digital capabilities offered by Advantech's diverse product portfolio, software, and smart services. We gather real-time data to unlock key information, facilitate seamless connectivity of legacy and new machines, reduce latency, and enhance data privacy for real-time computing and analysis, bring private 5G for faster deployment, safer data security, and robust IoT capacity. Discover EdgeSync 360, an innovative software suite and centralized service that revolutionizes the way you connect, visualize, and manage all devices to bring intelligence to the edge. To unlock new horizons of intelligent equipment, Advantech leverages AI in vision, computing, analytics, and transformation. We integrate all aspects, from sensor to software, for faster AI deployment and elevating quality performance. Improve the safety of machine, human, and environment. Empower equipment maintenance to real-time deliver, monitor, analyze, predict, and remote all at the edge. And the integration of generative AI to fuel data-driven decision-making, fostering intelligence and digital success. With our smart equipment solutions, you'll develop equipment that's more automatic, visible, resilient, and intelligent than ever before. Partnering for the future of intelligent equipment manufacturing.